If you're aiming for 500,000 miles in your Land Rover, you need the right habits. We've got 12 essential tips that will save you money and keep your car running smoothly. Let's dive in. 1. Regular oil changes. Regular oil changes are the cornerstone of keeping your Land Rover running smoothly for hundreds of thousands of miles. The engine oil acts as the lifeblood of your vehicle's engine, lubricating the moving parts and reducing friction. Over time, however, oil breaks down and becomes less effective, which can lead to accelerated wear on critical components like the pistons, valves, and camshaft. While Land Rover recommends oil changes every 10,000 miles, research suggests that maintaining a shorter interval of 5,000 to 7,500 miles significantly improves engine longevity. High-quality synthetic oil is recommended as it provides better protection at higher temperatures and offers improved oxidation resistance. Make sure to use the oil grade specified in your owner's manual, considering your driving habits and climate conditions. The oil filter plays a critical role in trapping debris and particles that can cause internal damage to the engine. Replacing the oil filter every time you change the oil ensures that contaminants don't circulate through the engine. Skipping oil changes can lead to issues like sludge buildup, bearing wear, and increased engine temperature, all of which are major contributors to engine failure. A simple oil change every 5,000 miles will cost you around $100, but an engine rebuild due to oil-related issues could set you back thousands of dollars. Make this small investment, and you'll reap the benefits of a smooth-running Land Rover for years to come. 2. Transmission fluid replacement. Your Land Rover's transmission is one of its most expensive components, and keeping it in peak condition is crucial for long-term reliability. Transmission fluid plays a vital role in lubricating the internal components of the transmission, helping the vehicle shift smoothly. Over time, however, this fluid degrades due to heat and contamination, which can cause it to lose its effectiveness and lead to poor shifting performance or even failure. The idea that modern transmissions require no maintenance is just that, an idea without basis in reality. For optimal performance, it's essential to replace the transmission fluid every 30,000 to 50,000 miles, even if your manual states otherwise. Regular fluid changes will help prevent overheating, premature wear on the clutches, and seal degradation, ensuring smooth shifts and a longer-lasting transmission. If the transmission fluid is not changed regularly, it can lead to problems such as erratic shifting, slipping gears, and in severe cases, total transmission failure. A fluid change involves draining the old, worn-out fluid and replacing it with fresh fluid to restore optimal function. This cost-effective routine will typically set you back about $150. Whereas a full transmission rebuild can cost anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000, depending on the model. Avoid the risk of costly repairs and stick to a regular fluid change schedule. This simple step will ensure your Land Rover's transmission remains in top condition, giving you confidence as you drive on, mile after mile. 3. Monitor tire pressure monthly. Your tires are one of the most important components of your Land Rover, especially when you're tackling rough terrains or off-road adventures. Proper tire pressure is crucial for your vehicle's safety, performance, and longevity. Underinflated tires create unnecessary friction, increasing the risk of overheating and premature wear. On the other hand, overinflated tires can lead to a harsher ride and decreased traction, which is especially problematic when you're off-roading. The recommended tire pressure for your Land Rover can be found in your owner's manual, but it's important to note that tire pressure should be checked monthly and adjusted based on load, driving conditions, and temperature changes. Tires tend to lose around 1 to 2 pounds per square inch every month, and for every 10 degrees Fahrenheit drop in temperature, your tire pressure can decrease by 1 pound per square inch. Checking your tire pressure regularly helps avoid uneven tire wear, lower fuel efficiency, and even dangerous blowouts on the road. Investing in a good quality tire gauge is a small cost for peace of mind. If your tires are properly inflated, you'll experience better fuel economy, improved handling, and extended tire life. A tire replacement due to improper pressure can cost around $600 for a set of 4, whereas keeping them properly inflated could save you hundreds in early replacements. 4. Drive smoothly and avoid aggressive driving. How you drive directly impacts the longevity of your Land Rover. Aggressive driving, characterized by rapid acceleration, hard braking, and high-speed driving, places excessive strain on your engine, transmission, and brakes. Not only does this increase fuel consumption, but it can also cause premature wear on critical components, reducing the overall lifespan of your vehicle. Instead of rushing through traffic or aggressively driving on highways, opt for smooth, controlled driving. Gradually accelerate from a stop and avoid sudden braking. This reduces the stress on your engine, transmission, and brake systems. Even when driving off-road, smooth throttle control is key to preventing unnecessary strain on the drivetrain and suspension. The benefits of smooth driving go beyond just longevity. Not only will your Land Rover last longer, but you'll also see improvements in fuel efficiency. Vehicles that drive aggressively consume significantly more fuel than those driven with care. Over time, these habits will save you money on both repairs and fuel. Plus, it leads to a more comfortable ride, especially on rougher roads or longer trips. 5. Preventative cooling system maintenance. Your Land Rover's engine cooling system is essential for maintaining the right temperature and preventing overheating. The cooling system consists of several critical components, including the radiator, water pump, and hoses, all of which work together to keep the engine at an optimal operating temperature. Over time, the coolant in your system can degrade, losing its ability to prevent corrosion and remove heat effectively. It's important to flush the coolant every 30,000 miles to ensure the system operates efficiently. Neglecting this routine can lead to a buildup of sludge and corrosion in the system, which can cause expensive repairs like radiator replacements or even engine failure due to overheating. Additionally, regularly inspect the hoses for any cracks, leaks, or signs of wear, as coolant leaks can lead to a dangerous overheating situation. A coolant flush typically costs around $150, whereas replacing a damaged radiator or dealing with an overheated engine could cost upwards of $1,000. Keeping the cooling system in top condition will not only extend the life of your engine, but also ensure that your Land Rover runs smoothly in all conditions, whether you're cruising on highways or tackling challenging terrains. If you're finding these tips helpful, be sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more. Stay tuned, as we'll be covering a critical component, your suspension system, and how regular inspections can save you from costly repairs in the following points. 6. Check and replace the battery. Your Land Rover's battery is one of the most vital components, powering the electrical system and ensuring smooth starts, especially in colder climates. Over time, batteries lose their capacity to hold charge, and once they're near the end of their life, they can leave you stranded. Routine battery maintenance, such as cleaning the terminals and checking the charge, can help prevent unexpected breakdowns. Most Land Rover models use high-performance batteries, but even the best batteries will degrade after about 3 to 5 years. It's a good idea to test your battery's performance annually, especially if it's older than 3 years. If you notice any signs of battery strain, like difficulty starting the car or dim headlights, it's time for a replacement. Replacing a battery usually costs around $150, but the inconvenience and potential costs associated with a dead battery, such as towing or repair costs, can easily run into the hundreds. Keeping a fresh, well-maintained battery will not only improve your car's reliability, but also prevent major electrical system failures down the road. 7. Air filter replacement. Air filters are a small yet crucial component of your Land Rover's engine system. Their job is to prevent dirt, debris, and other contaminants from entering the engine, ensuring the air entering the combustion chamber is clean and optimal for efficient combustion. Over time, air filters become clogged with dirt, dust, and pollutants, which restricts airflow and reduces engine efficiency. Replacing the air filter every 15,000 to 20,000 miles, or more often if driving in dusty conditions, will ensure your engine is breathing easy. A dirty air filter not only lowers engine performance, but can also lead to increased fuel consumption and higher emissions, which can contribute to long-term engine wear. Additionally, when the filter is clogged, it can cause rough idling or misfires in the engine, leading to costly repairs. Replacing the air filter is a simple, cost-effective task that typically costs around $30 to $60. By regularly replacing the filter, you avoid the need for more expensive repairs, like a clogged fuel injector or damaged engine components. A clean air filter will improve acceleration, fuel efficiency, and engine performance, which are key for getting the most miles out of your Land Rover. 8. Regular suspension system inspections. Your suspension system is key to your Land Rover's comfort and handling, particularly if you frequently tackle off-road trails or rough terrains. The system consists of shocks, struts, springs, and other components that absorb the impact from bumps and rough roads, ensuring a smooth ride. Over time, suspension parts can wear out, leading to a rough ride, poor handling, and even misalignment issues. Regularly inspecting your suspension system, especially after rough terrain use, is essential for identifying worn-out shocks or struts. If left unchecked, damaged suspension components can put additional strain on your tires and steering system, leading to further issues down the road. Inspecting the suspension also includes checking for any leaks in the shocks or struts, as well as worn-out bushings or mounts. Suspension repairs can be expensive. Replacing shocks or struts can cost $1,000 or more, depending on the model. A quick inspection and replacement of worn-out components every 40,000 to 50,000 miles is a far more affordable option. By keeping your suspension system in top shape, you'll not only improve the comfort of your ride, but also ensure the longevity of other critical components, like tires, steering, and the chassis. 9. Timing belt maintenance. The timing belt is a critical component that ensures the engine's valves open and close in synchronization with the pistons. If the timing belt snaps or wears out, it can cause severe internal engine damage, potentially resulting in a complete engine failure. For this reason, maintaining the timing belt is crucial for your Land Rover's longevity. The recommended replacement interval for timing belts varies depending on the model, but generally, it should be replaced every 60,000 to 100,000 miles. Neglecting to replace the timing belt at the right time can result in costly engine repairs or even a full engine replacement. While the cost of replacing a timing belt can range from $500 to $1,000, the cost of repairing engine damage caused by a broken timing belt can easily exceed $4,000, depending on the severity. Don't let this relatively inexpensive repair lead to an expensive engine rebuild. Regular timing belt maintenance ensures your Land Rover's engine runs smoothly for years without the threat of catastrophic failure. 10. Brake fluid change. Brake fluid is one of the most important fluids in your Land Rover, responsible for ensuring your braking system operates smoothly. Over time, brake fluid absorbs moisture from the air, which lowers its boiling point and compromises braking efficiency. When brake fluid gets contaminated with moisture, it can lead to reduced braking power, longer stopping distances, and potentially dangerous brake system failure. To prevent this, it's important to change the brake fluid every 2 to 3 years, depending on driving conditions. If you notice a soft or spongy brake pedal, it's a sign that the fluid may need to be replaced. Don't wait for a brake failure. Take care of this routine maintenance to ensure your Land Rover remains safe and reliable. Brake fluid flushes are relatively inexpensive, usually costing around $100 to $150. In comparison, neglecting brake fluid maintenance can lead to damage to the master cylinder (ABS) system or brake lines, with repair costs reaching up to $1,500 or more. Keep your brakes in top shape to maintain safety and extend the life of your braking system. 11. Keep the exhaust system in check. Your exhaust system is a vital part of your Land Rover, as it plays a crucial role in reducing harmful emissions and improving engine efficiency. By directing exhaust gases away from the engine and out of the vehicle, the system helps ensure your vehicle runs smoothly and meets environmental standards. However, like any other component, The exhaust system can wear out over time. Critical parts, like the catalytic converter, muffler, and exhaust pipes, are prone to corrosion, cracks, and damage due to constant exposure to high temperatures, moisture, and road debris. Leaks or cracks in the exhaust system not only reduce engine performance, but can also decrease fuel efficiency and increase emissions, leading to a noisy and inefficient engine. Additionally, a damaged exhaust system may affect your Land Rover's ability to pass an emissions test, which can result in fines or the inability to register the vehicle. Regularly checking the exhaust system for signs of rust, leaks, or cracks is essential for preventing costly repairs. Early detection of problems allows for timely repairs, which can significantly extend the lifespan of the system and avoid the need for expensive replacements. If left unchecked, a failing exhaust system can lead to much more severe engine damage. Replacing the catalytic converter or exhaust system can cost anywhere from $800 to $1,500, depending on your Land Rover model. A simple inspection and timely maintenance can save you thousands, ensuring your vehicle stays both efficient and environmentally friendly while avoiding costly repairs down the road. 12. Rust prevention and underbody maintenance. Rust is one of the most common culprits of premature vehicle deterioration, and it's especially problematic for Land Rovers that regularly face wet, salty conditions, like those found in coastal areas or during winter months when road salt is applied. The undercarriage of your Land Rover is highly susceptible to rust, as it's exposed to moisture, road salt, and dirt, all of which can cause corrosion if not addressed promptly. Over time, rust weakens the frame, body panels, and critical structural components, leading to major safety concerns and costly repairs. Rust damage can spread quickly if left unchecked, compromising the integrity of your vehicle and its resale value. Fortunately, preventing rust is easier than dealing with the aftermath. The first line of defense is regular undercarriage washing. During the winter, when road salt is at its highest, make sure to wash off the salt and dirt buildup from the undercarriage. This simple task significantly reduces the risk of corrosion. Additionally, applying a rust-proofing treatment can provide an extra layer of protection. Rust-proofing treatments typically cost around $500, but the cost of repairing a rusted frame or undercarriage can easily soar into the thousands. Rust-proofing helps preserve your Land Rover's underbody, preventing rust from taking hold and saving you from expensive repairs down the road. By staying on top of rust prevention, you ensure that your Land Rover remains in top condition, allowing you to enjoy it for many more miles. By implementing these 12 habits, your Land Rover can easily surpass 500,000 miles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your mileage. Stay tuned for more tips on keeping your ride running strong.